Hey friends, Cloud Bart here. It's Monday morning and I'm getting excited for another week of cloud computing. I hope everybody's doing all right out there, staying positive, trying to keep their chin up, hanging in there through these crazy pandemic times. I know it's been really hard on me and my family, on the kids. The schools started back up. Definitely having to adjust to a lot of things. Heck, we even went out and adopted a puppy. We've been fostering pets all summer long just to kind of help ourselves stay busy and help out those fuzzy little friends. Maybe something that you can get into as well. Beyond that, been getting a lot of good feedback from learners enjoying my AWS training over at CBT Nuggets. They often say, I didn't realize I was going to enjoy it as much as I did. What's with all the dinos? This is pretty silly. The truth is, it's what I call edutainment, where I'm trying to keep it fun, trying to keep it educational, and trying to keep you excited about what we're doing. Because, hey, information technology can be pretty rough. There's a lot to cover, and especially in the world of cloud computing, where there's so many different topics coming together in one place. It can be overwhelming. Hang in there. Make sure you give yourself plenty of breaks. Beyond that, my YouTube site's got a lot of new content hitting the way over there. Last week, I dropped my IT side gigs video all about finding IT clients in your local community, getting yourself ramped up. Not talking about landing the big job, just talking about small things that you can do on the side to help diversify your understanding of industries, the tools that they're using, and the ways that information technology is solving problems, especially cloud computing technologies. And hey, remember, great chance to build your network. So go check that out. If you're getting into AWS certification this week, I'm dropping my Solutions Architect Pro exam review content. So my look at the exam from when I took it just a few weeks ago. This is an AWS expert trainer talking about the deltas, some of the best ways to study and prepare for that. So exciting stuff heading your way. Hopefully that'll help keep you moving along through the cloud world out there. If you're studying and you're certifying and you're struggling, let me know. I'd love to hear about what you're working on. And of course, I'd love to reshare any of the fancy content or the fun blog stuff you might be building along the way. Beyond that, friends, stay healthy, stay strong, take a break, and we'll see you in the cloud.